Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to send notifications to your personal messenger. This feature is very useful and I think I can ensure you that you won't miss any customers' orders, inquiries or message. So first of all, you need to select the page that you want to set up and then you click manage. And then on the shop setup menu, you scroll down to send notifications to messenger and then click settings. Okay, so after that, you will see the toggle bar here. If you don't want to get new inbox message, you can turn it off. New comments, new orders, you can turn it on or turn it off here. And then after that, if you want to send notification to your messengers, any comment, any orders, any message from customers from this door, you want to send to your personal messengers, you can click send notification to messengers. And then after that, you need to press this button below. Make sure that it is you. If it's not you, you can click here. Okay, so that is me. So I click send to messenger. Okay, so I will receive a message. Okay, so now I already received a notification that you have successfully connected this page to your personal messenger.